In my hands is the latest battery-powered top-handled chainsaw offering from STIHL. It is the MSA 190T. Now, this saw is the equivalent to the petrol power of an MS194T. Yes, the very tried and tested machine. But today we're going to be putting the battery powered machine through its paces. Now, for you anoraks out there wanting to know where this sits in their market, its bigger brother, which we've reviewed before, the MSA 220 TCO, comes out at 1.7 kilowatts. This comes in at 1.2. Now, the 220 TCO is the equivalent to their 201 top-handled saw. Yes, a legendary top-handled saw, which some might say the predecessor, the 200T, was even better and the benchmark for top-handled saws. But today we are going to be using the MSA 190T, and we've got a ash tree behind us, which I'll show you in a minute, which has got ash dieback. It needs to come out. It's becoming very dangerous, so we need to take it down. And we've got a very capable person to go up there to be able to do it, because I'm not exactly built for tree climbing, but he certainly is. So let's show you all about this tree before I tell you even more about this chainsaw. So this ash tree here has been, shall we say, shedding a little bit of its branches, which are dying off on the top. Typical ash tree, which is looking a little bit sorry for itself, a little bit worse for wear, and it needs to come out. So that is today's job. Now, we could fell this straight out over from the bottom of the tree, which is generally my preferred way of felling anything. But because we've got this nice hedge, which I don't really want to disturb, we're gonna let someone climb it and take it down bit by bit, which also means we get to review the 190T as well. So should get a nice bit of firewood out of it, and hopefully we don't disturb the hedge too much. So let's go and see who's doing the job. Now, you'd have seen them before if you've watched other videos where we've done some tree reviews, but we've got Lars back again. And Lars actually runs his own tree services business called Chop and Chip Devon Tree Services Limited. So hopefully he's worthy enough to review this saw. They are, mate, you haven't actually seen it yet.
Oh, definitely a lot lighter than the 220.
Yeah.
I see no screen.
No, obviously 220's got a screen and obviously power settings on it as well for different settings.
I also see.
Yeah, we've got an extra feature. Now this is an optional extra on the side, which is an extra carabiner clip.
So I suppose you'd have your strop on there, and then you could clip it onto your tool carrier there, and it'll tuck away.
Yeah.
But and you've also got your third.
STIHL do 3 points of contact for their battery powered equipment rather than just a single dead man's handle. Now, STIHL recommend to run these on their AP200S batteries, where you'd get 48 minutes of run time. Now that's trigger time, actually how long you're pressing the trigger. Now a lot of people get confused about this and they think just 48 minutes, but it's actually how long you press the trigger. You imagine that up a tree, it actually spans out to be quite a long time. Now, if you want longer run times, you can run it on the AP300S battery or the AP500S battery, but obviously you are then adding more weight to the product. So do you want to go and get suited and booted and strapped up? And we can give it a go. Right, Lars, you ready?
I'm ready.
All hooked on?
All hooked on.
Have you tried your extra little carabiner hook out?
I have.
Look at that.
Very nice.
It's nice, that is, isn't it? It's
very nice.
Nice little added extra. Right, go on then. Racing snake, climb up the old tree.
That.
It's got some instant power there, isn't it?
Sounds aggressive.
Find out in a minute. Right, go on then. Spuddle up the tree then. I'll be your groundie.
Was that, well, if you can keep up.
There we are, mate. You're already up there. Look, I can't keep up with you.
I did say.
He doesn't hang about, does he? Don't hang about. The STIHL MSA 190T is a compact, battery-powered top-handled chainsaw designed for light and medium pruning tasks. Powered by STIHL's 36-volt AP system, it delivers 1.2 kilowatts of brushless motor power, offering reliable performance without the fuss and noise of petrol engines. Weighing just 2.6 kilograms bare and around 3.1 kilograms with an AP200S battery, it offers excellent balance and maneuverability for arborists. The chain runs at 20 meters per second, ensuring quick and clean cuts. It's IPX4 weather rated, meaning it's suitable for damp and demanding environments, while also being able to be used around noise sensitive areas such as schools, hospitals and residential areas. This saw hasn't been designed for sheer power. It's engineered for real work, well weighted, quiet and consistent. In real-world use, ergonomics and maintenance matter just as much as power. The MSA 190T features side-mounted chain tensioning, a transparent oil tank, tool-free filler cap, an EC motor and a soft grip handle. Battery life is solid for a tool of this size, around 48 minutes with the AP200S, extending up to 90 minutes with the larger AP500S batteries. Intelligent electronics including power boost, which offers consistent power even under heavy loads, constant power, meaning regardless of the battery charge gives consistent power throughout the cycle, and energy recovery, so that when throttling down, energy is fed back into the battery to extend its life, collectively helping maintain performance and maximising runtime. Essentially, this saw offers petrol-like capability in a battery package that's clean, quiet and set up for the demands of the professional arborist. So Lars has just shouted to say he's run out of juice in one battery, so what have we taken down? 3 of the main stems?
Yeah, and most of that one there as well.
Yeah.
That's just...
And there's a load of stuff the other side as well, which we haven't filmed because the light isn't right. But we'll show you what we've done later on. So yeah, you've done a fair bit with that, hasn't he? With one battery.
Yeah.
Ready for another?
Yeah.
Cool. So how are you finding the saw anyway?
It's very light.
Yeah.
It's definitely, don't notice it on your harness. Sits very nicely with that little clip.
You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You thought it's over, I'm waking alone now, not getting closure. I knew that it was seconds from you losing me, but I just couldn't give it up. And all the time you said you wanted me, when you know we don't get along like we used to. Went along with everything you said and done for me. You'll never love me now, but you'll never know. You got me so bad, you make it all.
Right, so Lars has done what he can with the top handle. It's now time to move on to the MS400.1, STIHL's newest petrol saw to the market. Now, we have done a load of different videos on this back in the winter, and then I think it came available around June, July time this year. So if you've got one, you're very, very lucky. And if you haven't got one, order one now. It's an amazing saw. Anyway, we're going to pull out this big stem that's up here now, and then he's got the ones around the other side to do, but we'll just show you what he's been doing around the other side. So he's now made a nice bit of mess out here for us to clear up in a minute. And he's just got these stems out this side. What, 2 to come this way and 1 to come that way?
Yep.
Pretty much. Nice. Some nice firewood, bud. Proper. And a bit more to chip in a minute when we bring the chipper back around this side. So you want to play with the 400.1 again, do you?
Yes.
So we're going for the Big Bertha first, are we?
Big Bertha first.
You want me to go and tug on the rope the other side, do you?
Yes, please.
Right on, boss. All right. There we are, Lars. It's all on the ground.
Yeah.
We're sat on a nice big bit as well, which I'm not going to lie, I turned it around just now and started rolling down the hill towards the saws. So I quickly darted them out of the way and it landed here, perfect for our roundup of this saw before we get to our outro. Now, what's your thoughts on the MSA 190T then?
I like it a lot. It's definitely, it feels light. I don't know how light it actually is, but I think the two things which makes this better than the 200T or 201 is the pickup speed.
You're comparing it against a 200 or 201?
201, yeah, it's the pickup.
Yeah.
They do not have that.
No, true. It is when you press that trigger, it does happen straight away.
I feel like it's got fast change speed.
There's 20 meters per second change speed.
And then also this clip, that makes it so much more compact on your harness. It doesn't dangle down as far, it doesn't get caught up as much.
And obviously that's an optional extra, so you do have to buy that separately. It doesn't come as standard with the saw. Any negatives then? There's got to be a negative.
I think the only negative I could say is the third trigger,
Which I think the triggers is a running theme with modern battery saws.
Yeah, you get it with all of them.
Other brands we've tried, they've all got a fiddly trigger.
But if it was up a tiny bit further, I just can't reach it when you're in
So
some
you press it with your thumb, don't you?
Press it with your thumb.
But if you're out there,
and you can't wrap your thumb round,
yeah,
you just can't push it. Very good all-round saw.
we've obviously had the MSA 300 here as well for a bit of groundwork, which is nice because we use the STIHL Pro comms to be able to communicate with each other, which works perfectly well when Lars is up a tree, I'm on the ground, to be fair with the guys behind the cameras as well. It makes it much easier to communicate. But also with the battery saws, it means you can hear everything, can't you? You know what's going on, the communication is clear.
And this might not be that loud,
No.
but the chipper's loud.
Yeah, exactly. That is very true.
Drop some logs in your head.
Yeah, it's good to have good communication when there's stuff falling from above, obviously. And then we finished up with the beautiful 400.1, which I love.
I love this saw.
I think it's a superb saw.
It's a completely different saw to the old 400. It's so much more lively.
The power to weight ratio is obviously the best on the market. There isn't a better power to weight ratio saw on the market. We've done a load of content about it. It's worthwhile going to watch it. In actual fact, we'll link a video right here for you to go and watch that next because we love that saw. But quickly, and Lars, would you have the MSA 190T or the MSA 220 TCO being a professional tree surgeon on the battery market?
I think I'd go for the 190.
The 190?
It's definitely got more pickup, and when you're using a top handle, you're not doing any big diameter unless you're doing a big takedown where I like to take a bigger saw anyway.
And it's pretty light.
It's pretty light as well.
Yeah, there we go. So we're Machinery Nation. We bring you videos every single week about tools and machinery. So give us a subscribe, click the like button and watch this video right here. Cheerio.